Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the most merciful and compassionate. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. You are watching my channel AAW Knowledge Consultancy. So here we are with our new episode. My dear viewers, I've received so many calls from my students, from my friends, and they have appreciated me a lot. Just they asked me, Mr. Shah, little bit be relaxed and easy and take things slowly. Now here we are with our next episode, which is past indefinite tense. We have completed the first set, that is present set. Present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Today we have a new topic, which is past related to past. First is the past indefinite tense. What's that? Past indefinite tense. This is our fifth episode of basic English grammar. Okay, dear viewers, so let's here start. Now, first step is the identification. You know well that how to identify a sentence. It's very essential and important first to identify and then to translate. Now in this case, in past indefinite tense, we have gaya, khaya, piya. Okay, dear viewers, you got my point. At the last of the sentence, you will have gaya, khaya, piya, vagera. These type of words always come at the end of the sentence. Now then how to make it? It's pretty simple, pretty simple and easy to understand. What we use second form of verb. What we use? Only second form of verb. We use second form of verb. In negative sentence, we will use did not with the first form of verb. What we will use? Did not with the first form of verb. You know well that in grammar when did comes, we always use first form of verb. We always use first form of verb. Last but not the least, in interrogative sentence, what we call interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we start the sentence with did. We start the sentence with did. So far, so happy, my dear viewers. Be relaxed and easy. We are learning with fun. And you will see, inshallah ta'ala, day by day, we will move along good to better and better to best. So let's practice. Please, those of you who have joined now, please take out your notebooks, pencils, pens with you and start writing. Okay? Now first sentence is the usne chai pi. You know, whenever is usne means male, it would be considered as male. Usne chai pi. He took a tea. He took a tea. Easy, simple, isn't it? Then, हमने खाना खाया. हमने खाना खाया. We took a meal. We took a meal. तालिब इल्मों ने इम्तहान दिया. तालिब इल्मों ने इम्तहान दिया. The students took the examination. The students took the examination. So far, so good. Happy? So, first we have completed our first three positive sentences. Now, let's start with the negative sentence. How are we going to start? Okay. नसीम ने आटा नहीं गूंदा. नसीम ने आटा नहीं गूंदा. So, please, dear viewer, tell me. What? I'm afraid it's a wrong answer. No, it's a right answer. You done well. Naseem ne aata nahi gunda. Naseem did not mix the flour. Naseem did not mix the flour. So, you got my point. उन्होंने खबरें नहीं सुनी. उन्होंने खबरें नहीं सुनी. They did not listen the news. They did not listen the news. So far, so good. What else next? डॉक्टर साहब ने मरीज का मुआयना नहीं किया. डॉक्टर साहब ने मरीज का मुआयना नहीं किया. The doctor did not examine the patient. The doctor did not examine the patient. So far, so good. It's easy, very easy. We are learning in a very convenient way. You will see, my dear viewers, those of you who will adopt a very serious strategy, a very positive response, you will see that you will improve a lot. We are learning with fun. So, next is the interrogative sentence. Let's try 3 interrogative sentences and we are there with our topic. So, what else now? क्या आपने गाना गाया? क्या आपने गाना गाया? Did you sing a song? Did you sing a song? Easy, isn't it? क्या तुमने मेरा इंतज़ार किया? क्या तुमने मेरा इंतज़ार किया? Did you wait for me? Did you wait for me? क्या मेहमान शादी पर गए? क्या मेहमान शादी पर गए? Did the guests go on a marriage celebration? Did the guests go on a marriage celebration? So far, so easy. So we have done with it. This is past indefinite tense. Easy, isn't it? Dear viewers, Inshallah Ta'ala, I'm going to teach you in a very sequential manner. We are taking the thing in a right sequential manner with sequence, with a conceptual understanding and with knowledge which we can apply. So dear viewers, at the end of the day, this is my humble request to you that those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new videos. So this is a startup weekend. This is my prayer for you that may Allah bless you, happiness, peace, prosperity throughout your life. Ameen. With lots of du'as, lots of prayer. Do remember me in your prayer, and please, your valuable feedback will always be appreciated. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.